Mercedes-Benz Trucks Complete, our most comprehensive service contract, including repair and maintenance, and wear and tear parts. According to your individual needs, you choose from a range of suitable durations and mileages, and pay a monthly rate. No matter how much you drive, Mercedes-Benz Trucks Complete gives you full cost control during the contract duration and the possibility to choose your additional options, all that keeps your truck safe and fast on the road. Furthermore, Mercedes-Benz Trucks Uptime, our intelligent tele-diagnosis service, constantly monitors the condition of your vehicle to reduce downtime and avoid predictable breakdowns. Rely on a Mercedes-Benz Truck service contract. Ask your dealer for more information on Mercedes-Benz Trucks Complete.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.